Hi, this is the second video in the um, DevDb videos, which I hopefully plan to make like a series so that I just keep doing these short videos of what you can do with DevDb. And in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can use the DevDb config file. Yeah, so like in the previous video that I did for Laravel, you will see that we do not need to configure the the, the database for DevDB. Yeah, so DevDB automatically inferred connection details from the Laravel configuration, the default Laravel configuration, and then just provided the database view for it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing how you can use DevDB when there is no zero support, zero config support for your environment. So when DevDB cannot automatically load your database, what can you do? And the answer is that you provide a configuration file. So the configuration file is going to be named devdbrc, like you see here, and it's a dot file, of course, and it's just going to be in JSON format. So in JSON format, um, you uh, you provide an array of configuration objects. So in this project, I have, um, so you can see I have an array. So the first one is an SQLite database that I want to connect to, right? And the second one, just for the sake of demonstration, is a MySQL configuration object. So usually you need just one of these, in your data in your application. So you're either using MySQL or you are using SQLite. So in either case, you set up, so you want to have name, type, and path for your SQLite databases. That's all you need for an SQLite database configuration. But for MySQL, you will need a name that uniquely identifies the MySQL database, anything arbitrary. Then the type, which is MySQL. In this case, this type is SQLite. So it's like you have to provide those as like hard-coded value, SQLite or MySQL. So then the host, the database host, the port, the username, the password, the database you want to connect to inside the um, ins inside the server, the MySQL server. So with these two, with this configuration, either one or two that you provide, you will now see them under. So I have this SQLite database file picker provider available because it is assumed that you may also equally want to like pick some file, in which case it will be automatically added to the configuration file anyways. So in this case that I have already set up my .devdbrc configuration file, I now have it here. So you can see from the SQLite configuration object, we have this first option, right? And for the MySQL configuration object, we have the second option. And you will see that the name that you provide here is what is going to be used for the um, interface, whatever, the name here. So let's connect to this, see, so yeah, you can see we have everything that, you know, like, it should be. Um, yeah, so that's it. Then we can connect. Let's close this. Let's connect to the SQLite. What did we connect to just now? Yeah. So let's connect to the MySQL. We just connect to the SQLite. Okay, MySQL. Yeah, we connected to a test database. So yeah, so you can see it's like a WordPress thing here. Righty. So yeah. So yeah, that's how you connect to. That is how you use DevDB in a situation where you do not have autoloaded environment like a zero config for your environment. And yeah, and the hope is that before you get to create a .devdbrc configuration file for your environment, and autoloadable zero config support will already be made available for your environment. So I hope to make zero config available for WordPress and Symfony environments, and then um, yeah, we see how the like community responds, and then we see what other environment we can prioritize after that. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you and bye for now.